Hey everybody, Dr. Fatima here, and today we are going to talk about an herb that's going to change your life. It is the nature's gift to our organs, especially our livers. So if you want to know more about it, stay with me. Let's go. Our liver is our body's natural filter, helping us to remove toxins, process food into energy, and manage medications. But sometimes, due to some other factors like obesity, diabetes, and excessive consumption of alcohol, it can face some challenges like alcoholic and non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Now, of course, you have to improve your lifestyle in order to have a healthier liver. But there might be an herb that can be a game changer in supporting your liver against these fatty liver diseases. Also known as Silybum marianum in science world, is more than just a plant. It contains a powerful component called silymarin. And research suggests that this component can have a lot of benefits for not only our livers, but our other organs too. Now, in fatty liver disease, fat accumulates in your liver cells and it can lead to liver cirrhosis or liver failure if it is left untreated. Now, the first thing that milk thistle can do to prevent fatty liver disease from getting worse is that it can balance these fat levels. By reducing the fat levels of your blood, it can somehow lead to decreasing the fat content of your liver and therefore improve your fatty liver. Now, a lot of the people who have fatty liver disease also have some levels of insulin resistance, especially if you have diabetes. Now, insulin helps our body to use sugar from food for energy. And insulin resistance means that your body doesn't respond to insulin as well as it should. So when there is insulin resistance, sugar builds up in your blood, and this can be linked to fatty liver disease. Now, another thing that milk thistle does is that it helps our body to use insulin better and therefore tackle a main reason of fatty liver disease. Now, as we said, the liver works as our body's cleaning crew, getting rid of all the unwanted stuffs and toxins. Now, silymarin from milk thistle acts like an energy drink for this crew. It powers up your liver's cleaning tools, which are your liver enzymes, and help them remove toxins very faster. Now, both alcoholic and non-alcoholic fatty liver diseases can lead to fibrosis and cirrhosis, where the liver loses its functional cells and they are replaced with a scar tissue. And one of the most remarkable benefits of milk thistle is anti-fibrotic action. Milk thistle stops the cells that create scar tissue in your liver, and this can prevent or even undo some scarring. Milk thistle not only acts as a shield protecting your liver, but also has a significant role in healing your liver after the damage has been done. Studies have shown that its active component, silymarin, promotes the growth of liver cells and can counteract the harmful effects of toxins on the liver. This means that even after the damage has been done and there are injuries and harmful substances, your liver has a better chance of recovering. Now, the benefits of milk thistle doesn't end here. It has a lot of other benefits for your other organs. It can support your heart, especially after events like a heart attack. It reduces the stress on your heart and makes some of the treatments more safe. There are also studies that suggest that milk thistle might help with memory issues, and it seems to work against the enzymes that are connected to memory loss. Some components of milk thistle can also fight some types of cancer, like cancers of your skin and your chest. Milk thistle also helps to reduce the negative effects of some of the cancer treatments. Alright, now we know some of the benefits of milk thistle, but how should we consume it? The most common form of milk thistle is in the form of supplements. You can take these tablets with a glass of water, preferably after a meal. Milk thistle tea is also available, which can be brewed and consumed. However, you should be aware that the concentration of silymarin in teas is much lower compared to the supplements. There are also brands that offer milk thistle in the powder form. You can mix it with your smoothie or a juice. Now, there are some points that you should definitely be aware of if you want to take milk thistle. Milk thistle can affect how some medications work, especially those processed by the liver. If you're on meds, chat with your doctor before taking it. Now, most people are fine after taking milk thistle, but there are some people who might have allergies or who might develop stomach problems after taking it. So, if this is your first time trying it, make sure that you start with a small amount. Also, the doctors are not sure if milk thistle is safe during pregnancy and breastfeeding. So, in these periods, it's best to skip it or ask a professional doctor. Now, as the last point, although milk thistle is full of health benefits, always ask for your doctor's advice first. And there you have it. Thank you for being with me until the end of this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll be really happy to see what you guys think about this video and answer your questions in the comments. Until the next video, bye!